Ready to film your team's next big win without breaking the bank? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to score a free 3-month trial of Veo's game-changing sports recording and analysis platform. First, head over to Veo's website. You can find the link conveniently in the description box below this video. Once you're on the home page, look for a button that says something like Get Started, Try Veo, or Request a Demo. Click on it. You'll then be directed to a Signup Form. Fill in all the required information, including your name, email address, your team's name, and the sport you're involved in. Be sure to use a valid email address, as you'll need to verify it later. After submitting the form, check your email inbox. You should receive a verification email from Veo. Open the email and click on the verification link to confirm your account. With your account verified, you'll now have access to the Veo platform. However, to activate the free trial, you might need to complete a few more steps. Look for a banner or pop-up within the platform that specifically mentions the free 3-month trial. It usually includes the terms and conditions. Make sure you read them carefully. Click on the button to activate free trial or start trial. You may be asked to enter some additional details, such as your payment information, but don't worry, you won't be charged anything during the trial period. This is just to ensure a seamless transition if you decide to continue with a paid subscription afterward. And that's it. You're now ready to start recording, analyzing, and sharing your team's games with Veo. Enjoy your free 3-month trial and discover how Veo can elevate your team's performance.